Welcome this video. Pallet Wood Project Term Discard Timed into Timeless Create. In recent years, the trend of use acclaim pallet wood our project have sugaring in property popular whether you're seasoning craftsman or a weekend hub pallet weather often a unique climax of affordable centrability and rustic charm. Those hub weather would play from one use of shed good are now bring transforming into stream functional decoration and even architecture element. We explore deep into the plants wood project when use time now to get started and what's pallet wood. One of the growing seasoning people give to what pallet whether is its accessible. Pallets are often discarded by warm house stone and countries, ending up in landfill, then can be repurposed into useful functional price. Asia friendly pallet whether wood wash and supporting centrability leave budget friendly often available for free or at very low cost. Unique aesthetic weather employment and age mark give project and restrict various look that hard and rustic with new lobby. What style? Sub-able for indoor and outdoor use. Depend on treatment, palette, weather. Not all palettes are created when palette would keep those type. This stood by ITB mean they would have been without charming palette mark and MB. Check the clean line. Sub clean to hard use palette that mean have bring explode or constraints. You can often find good palette hardware stone big box relative area just Promax before take theme. Touch you need. Whether with palette wood requested is base set of tool. Wood gum tool like and mean wood plants can be hard space up the process before jump into the productive. It's essential to bring your wood palette use the hub bring C to more park. Be careful into the arrange the wood. Remove nail all old and remove to sub and easy to use clean sub wood with and publish world and cut theme access to your project. Cut and mean often the board mean and cut theme access to your project. Top pallet wood project. Pallet coffee table a classic entrance look level project with just a few pallet pick you can create a rustic coffee table complete with the sub underneath for book and sub add for wobbling and hairpin long and modern touch. Versatile gardening palette for gardening. Love this they bring away to use to hold palette with maximize